Namaste. I'm JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is enzymes and proteins of the Unit 5 of Pharmacognosy, BCom 4th semester. So, vitamins and enzyme, proteins and enzymes. It is the protein which acts as a it is a protein that acts as a catalyst. They play a vital role in the functions of cells and activities of organism. Enzyme shows maximum activity between the 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, inactive at 0 degree Celsius, beyond 65 degrees Celsius, and they are denatured in it. Okay, soluble in water, dilute alcoholic concentration. Alcohol precipitate form that pH of the medium and effect is directly proportional to the activity of it. It is the activity, its activity is reduced by the formaldehyde, free iodine, heavy metal and tannins. The enzymes are proteins that range in the molecular weight from about 1300 to as much as 8,40,000 daltons. Minute quality or minute quantity of the enzymes are required to complete their chemical reactions. What is the property of the enzymes? So, when we talk about the property of the enzymes, the specificity, they catalyze only one range of reaction. They are exceptionally versatile catalysts. They give the hydrolytic reaction, oxidation, reduction, acyl transfer reaction, alcohol, aldol condensation, polymerization, and free radical reaction. They are exceedingly efficient under the optimal condition. Enzymatic reaction proceed 8 to 10 times and more rapidly than the non-enzymatic reaction. Chemical nature of the enzyme. Many enzymes are inactive when the first produce such enzymes in inactive form is called proenzyme and zymogen. They are inactive because the active site is not exposed and unable to bind with the substrate. Later, by the action of essential coenzymes or activator, they made active. Enzymes often occur in the combination with inorganic and organic substances. They have important part in it and catalytic action. If these are non-protein organic compound called the coenzyme, if they are inorganic ions, they are referred as activators. Then coenzymes are integral part of enzyme system. Several vitamins, thiamine, chloride, riboflavin, nicotinic acid are recognized as having a coenzymatic function. Both are collectively cofactors. Their cofactors bound to the protein part of the enzyme tightly. In this case, cofactors termed as the prosthetic cofactors and prosthetic group. So, the classification of the enzymes, the classification on the basis of the reaction they control the activity, classification on the basis of site of action, classification on the basis of the nature of the substrate, on the basis of their activity, oxireductase, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases and ligases like synthetases. On the basis of their activity, oxireductases, catalyzing reductions between the two substances, peroxidized glucose 6-phosphate, transferase of catalyzing a transfer of the group other than the hydrogen between a pair of substrates, transmethylase, transaminase, hydrolysis, catalyzing hydrolysis of ester, ether peptide glycoside, acid aragonite, C-halide, PN bound, carbohydrate, lipase, proteinase, Lysis means on the basis of the activity. Lysis is catalyzing removal of group from the substrate by mechanism other than the hydrolysis, leaving bound double bound. Fumarase. Isomerase catalyzing interconversion of optic, geometric and positional isomer. G6 phosphate isomerase. Ligase synthetases catalyzing linkage of two compounds coupled to the breaking of the pyrophosphate bound in ATP or the similar compound acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase. Classification on the basis of site of action. Enzymes are classified into two groups. Endoenzymes, these enzymes that act inside the cell is also called intracellular enzymes. These enzymes are responsible for synthesis, cell components, production of energy, metabolism. Example are synthetase, isomerase and phosphorylase. Exoenzymes, they act on outside the cell called extracellular enzymes. Such enzymes are digestive in their function, that is break down the complex molecule into the small unit. Example, proteases, lipases, amylases. Classification on the basis of nature of substrate. The hemolytic enzymes are carbohydrate. Diestrase and amylase term applied to two well-known amylolytic enzymes, salivary distraces or phytalin, and pancreatic diseases. Amylopsin are found in the digestive tract of animals. Maltodextrose, it is formed during the germination of the barley grain and converted starch into galactose and lactose. Invertase sucrose found in the yeast and intestinal juices. It brings hydrolysis of sucrose into the glucose and fructose. Classification on the basis of nature of substrate. Maltase causes conversion of the maltose into the glucose. Zymase, fermentation enzyme, causes conversion of monosaccharide into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Diestrase, maltin, diestrase of malt, amylase. Biological sources, it is a mixture of amylytic enzyme obtained from the malt. Color of the diestrase is yellowish white color. Amorphous powder obtained from the infusion of malt. Odor, faint characteristics. Preparation of diestrase. Barley is the dried grain of one or more variety. Hordeum vulgar family belongs to the Germanaceae. Barley is grown throughout the world wherever the climate is favorable. Malt or malted barley is dried, artificially germinated barley to drain. To prepare a malt, hops or barley, grown halves of barley grain are kept wet with the water in the warm room and allowed to germinate until the caulicle small stalk protrude. The grain is then quickly dried. The enzyme diestrase in the moist form. Grain converted the starch into maltose, thereby stimulating the embryo to grow. The embryo is killed when the grain is dried. Preparation of diestrase. Dry malt resembles barley but is more crisp and has an agreeable odor and has a sweet taste. It contains 50 to 70% of the sugar, maltose 2 to 15 of the dextrins, 8% of the protein, diastase and peptase enzyme. Malt is used extensively in the brewing and alcohol industries. It is the product obtained from extracting malt, the partially and artificial germinated grain of one or more varieties of Hordeum vulgare. It is used as a digestant. It's in the production of pre-digested starchy food and also conversion of starch from the fermentable sugar in the fermentation brewing industry. The identification arsenic test: 0.25 gram of diasterase is placed in the platinum quartz or the porcelain crucible. In that 10 ml of Mg nitrate and ethyl alcohol is added, ignited, then reduced to ash by heating at 450 to 550 degrees Celsius. In the carbonaceous matter persists, it is wetted with the minute amount of the nitric acid. When is further treated and heat at 450 to 550 degrees Celsius. After cooling, 3 ml HCl is added to the residue, which is dissolved by heating in the water bath. When the test is carried out with the arsenic, it should NMT 4 ppm. Heavy metal takes 0.5 gram diasterase in the porcelain, carbonized by heating. After it, add 2 ml of HNO3 and 5 drops of H2SO4. Heated until white smoke is disappear for the heavy metal. When is reduced to ash by the further heating 450 to 550 degrees Celsius. After drying, after cooling, 2 ml of HCl is added. After cooling, 2 ml of HCl is added, which is evaporated to dryness in water bath. 3 drop of HCl, 10 ml of hot water is added to the residue. Heating for the 2 minutes. After cooling, 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicated is added. Then the ammonia solution is added until the color of the solution becomes pale red. This resulting solution is transferred into the Nessler cylinder by the rinsing with water. 50 ml of test solution prepared by 2 ml of dilute acetic acid and water. For heavy metal, NMT 40 ppm. Color solution 2 ml HNO3, 5 drop of H2SO4. HCl is evaporated dryness in the crucible. 3 drop of HCl added to the residue, which transfer into the another Nessler cylinder. Finally, 2 ml lead standard solution, 2 ml of dilute acetic acid of water added and make up to 50 ml. 0.8 gram diasterate slowly carbonized by heating temperature below 550 degrees Celsius. 220 ml of dilute HNO3 is added to ash. Then boil for 5 minutes. Filter residue is washed with water. Make up volume 50 ml with the water. Detection of lead NMT 10 ppm. Chloroform group diasterase tested by microbe test for method for the general test. Method for the food code: it should contain 30 or less per gram of product. Salmonella diasterase tested by the microbe tested method for in general test. Method for the food code: it should be negative. Bipepsin is prolytic enzyme obtained from the granular layer of the fresh stomach of the hog pig. Scophora linever domesticus Gray. Families today. The generic name is from the Greek meaning hog. Scophora is Latin and mean breeding, and domesticus is Latin means the household. Preparation: mucous membrane is scraped from the stomach and placed in the acidified water at 37 to 2 hours. Pepsin and peptones filtered and add sodium and ammonium salt till it becomes half saturated. Pepsin separated peptones remain precipitate by the adding of alcohol and collected dried it. So this is all about the pepsin. In the next lecture we will also check this pepsin. So that is all about this lecture. Thank you. Namaste. If you have any query, just comment below.